Welcome everyone. Now we're going to do a named ACL. No big deal. The only difference here is instead of saying access list and a number, we need to say IP access list and a name. All right, so let's go ahead inside the lab and let's get it done. Named access list. Welcome, welcome. So that's one of the things now that they're testing you on, that if you know how to do a named access list. Not a big deal. Up to now, we're only doing numbered access lists. We say access list and then a number. Now to do the named access list, well, we just start a little bit differently. So let's go ahead and pick on this guy. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a standard named access list that's going to block 100, right? Well, not 100. Let's say 101, right? Because you have to do it nearest the destination. That's going to block 101 from accessing the 100 network. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. And it's going to be done through a named access list. So we're going to go config T. Well, let's see if there's any access lists on this router. No access lists. Perfect. All right, so we're going to do config, and we're going to do IP access list. That's how you start it. So what do they want? Is it going to be an extended or standard? Well, I said I wanted to do a standard access list just for making it quick. Okay, standard. What now? You want a number or do you want a name? Well, no, I'm making a named access list. I want a name. So I'm going to block underscore 101 network. Okay, block 101. So now we're in standard named access list configuration mode. So what can we do here? Well, we want to deny. That's what we want to do. Well, what is it that we want to deny? Well, I want to deny the 192.168. Oops. 192.168. Okay. 68.101.0. Okay. Now to give it a wildcard mask, I'm assuming. There we go. 255. There we go. Anything else? No. Hit enter. Okay. So I'm denying that, but I need a permit statement, don't I? So I want to then permit any. That's it. That's what a standard access list is it not? You deny, and then your next line is you permit everybody else. So now we need to apply this. So you need to exit this. Now nearest the destination, obviously, would be the F00. I'm pretty sure. F00, yes. And it's going to be out. So you know, interface F0/0. But now when we apply it, we got to use the name that we created, which was block underscore 101. So we go IP access group. What's the group? It's not a number anymore. It's block underscore 101. Block underscore 101. In which direction? Out. All right, Control Z, WR. Let's do a show access list. And you can see it has standard IP access list block 101, meaning that is your named access list. And there it is. Deny this particular network, permit everything else. Okay, and then we go show IP interface F00. We see that we have an outgoing access list block 101, no longer a number. That's why it's called a name. So let's see if it actually works. So I shouldn't be able to ping, period. I shouldn't be able to ping that at all. I have no access to the 100 network. Ping 192.168.100.0. And look at that. Oh, it's coming back from the 10.115. Okay, so I didn't get to the 100. I said 100.0, didn't I? Yes, I did. All right, the 100.1. How about that? Destination unreachable. Either way, that was pretty cool because we did 0. And you see it said, no, you're getting a reply back from the 10.115, but whatever. It's 100.1, what we're trying to ping, and we're getting a destination unreachable, and that's what we want. So named access list is the same thing. It's a standard access list. The only difference, we didn't put a number, so they consider it a numbered access list. This is now a named access list, which is a little bit more descriptive, and it's easy for you to understand when you look at it. Oh, we're blocking this network. We're blocking this host. You know, you can actually make it more human right? So you can understand what that access list is actually doing just by the name that you gave it. All right, so there you go. That's your named access list. Okay, we got that done. No biggie. You can question mark your way through the whole thing if you wanted to. Now I do this so you can see what's available. What's really funny is that you can either do, when you do IP access list and you question mark, it says, do you want a number? Do you want a name? No, named, right? So we named it something. And it says, what do you want? Well, what type of access? Standard or extended? So it's still a standard or extended, but now when we apply it, we're applying it with the name that we gave it. And remember, no spaces. You got to have underscores. Or it can be descriptive, but you don't have to be that descriptive. That's why we have remarks now. Remarks. But either way, you saw that we did it. It worked, but you got to apply it correctly. If it's a standard or an extended to what you wanted to do, and you saw that it went out without a hitch. All right, so there you go. That's how you create a named access list. See you in the next one.